So I say D, I say D-O, D-O-D, D-O-D-G, D-O-D-G-E-R-S, team, 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 team. Oh, I say O-M, O-M-A, O-M-A-L, O-M-A-L-L-E-Y. Oh, really? No O'Malley. Sandy Koufax, oh, my Drysdale Maury Wills, I love you so. And we defy the J-I, J-I-N, J-I-N-T, J-I-N-T-S, Giants! Level! Orlando Cepeda is at bat with the bases jammed. Orlando Cepeda with a wham, bam. He hit a grand slam in the very first inning, but it's only the beginning. In the third, like a bird, we get 2-1 on the way. Then Fairley hits into a double play. Here comes Big Frank Howard, yes sirree. Boy, what a swing! Strike 3. O-dem B, O-dem B-U, B-U-M, B-U-M-S. Them bums, them dry bums. Oh, they may be bums, but they're my bums. Top of the 5th, say hey Whirly Mays hits a 3-bagger down the right field line. But he's out trying to stretch it to a homer as Roseboro tags him on the bottom of the spine. With the crack you can hear all the way back up to San Francisco. Open your hospital! Inning 6, Maury Wills draws a walk in the coach's box. Leo DeRocher, Leo DeRocher starts to wiggle and to twitch. A signal? No, an itch. Go, Maury, go, Maury, go, go.